Matt from VanDam Construction. Today we're making a reclaimed wood black pipe computer desk. First thing you're going to need is a big stack of reclaimed wood. This one came out of a remodel I did. They're regular 2x4s, but they are like 60 years old. So I'm going to teach you how to make them into a desk. If you don't have access to these, you can also just get regular 2x4s and give a weathered look to them, and it'll look just like the old stuff. This is a bucket full of distilled vinegar, just regular white distilled vinegar. I added some salt. I added some OxyClean to speed up the oxidization process, as well as a bunch of scrap steel I had lying around. This has been sitting in here for probably 10 minutes, and you can see there's already tons of rust in this water. It's going to make a great stain for the weathered look on these old 2x4s. So these are the boards that I put my concoction on top of. Here's what they look like. I also did this one, but only did partially just as a sample, so you can get the full effect of what it is doing to the wood. It's obviously changing it. It's going to look really nice. Probably going to put a flat gloss over the top of it so it holds it in and keeps it looking that way forever. What I'm doing right now is I jointed all of the boards together. There's the last one over there. I still got to cut that and router the edges. Sanded it all down. I'm putting some more of the weathering stuff on it, and we'll see what that turns out like. That's pretty cool. So I ended up going with a semi-gloss on a clear coat for this. I just barely put it on. This one's still shiny. So it was this guy right here, semi-gloss. And then there's also an antique walnut for this redder color, this middle plank right there to get a little bit of a different effect. So there you have it. I probably should mention something about these pipes. These are 3/4 inch black pipes. These straps were copper, but I just painted them black because copper just wouldn't go with the fill of the whole thing. This is 1.5 inch bit. There's my helper. Drill those from the top. They fit right over the top of these T-fittings, nice and snug. And that's that. Here it is, the whole thing. 9 feet tall, 2 shelves, a little bit thicker computer desk on the bottom. One thing I did do, these holes about halfway through are only about 1/8 inch on the top, and then I did it that 1.5 inch on the bottom, just to make it look a little more slick. But there's the whole thing. Next time you see it, it will be installed.